Good evening, everyone. To all my dearest friends in Facebook, across Mita, and all relatives and more than a friend like you, I would like to ask a favor from you. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, Juni Probadora. I play work almost 1 year on YouTube. So I hope fulfillment of the requirements in YouTube. So that's why I asking your favor. Kindly help to subscribe my channel. As you give gift for me this Christmas and coming year 2024. Thank you to all of you. More power and God bless us. God bless for this Christmas and coming year 2024. Thank you.